Want to add a reserve spot IR in ESPN Fantasy Football to stash injured players? Here's how to do it. First, launch open the ESPN Fantasy app or go to the ESPN Fantasy website. Log into your account. Now tap on the My Team option. Once you get here, you want to tap on the League. From here, you will find different options. Select League Manager Tools. From here, select Roster Settings. Once you get here, scroll down and find Injured Reserve IR over here. Go ahead and select that. Now make sure that you have enabled this. Then you can select the numbers from here as well. Now tap on the Done option. Once you enable it, you can now move any injured players to the new IR spot. This helps keep your roster optimized without having to drop players. And that's it. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.